Well, winds in the borderland causing major problems last weekend, including downed power lines leading to power outages, uprooted trees, and in some cases leading to significant property damage. KTSM speaks with a local landscaper who explains that homeowners should have their trees checked by a professional at least once a year so that they can come in and see what needs to be done in order to maintain it. And one of the actions that is usually taken is pruning, which means assessing what limbs from the tree need to be chopped off. And another option is removing the tree completely, but it all depends on placement.
Sometimes we are trimming trees merely for aesthetics. Sometimes we are clearing property lines or power lines. Uprooting the trees, it just depends on the type of tree, where it's located.
Now, he does recommend uprooting the tree if it is dead, since that is when the winds will cause it to be knocked down.